this video, we are going to talk about the theory of planned behavior, also called TPB, and also about how it can be used or applied to promote Victoria University. First of all, we need to know what is TPB. Theory of Planned Behaviour is a theory that enables someone to predict why people behave in certain way or make certain decisions, and what is the reason or what influenced them to do so. The example is like to understand why does Emily buy a new certain phone, or why does Catherine go to a new college. Now you're wondering how, isn't it? Theory of planned behavior enabling us to understand why they do so, and thus lead us into advantages by enabling us to set a good strategy to position our products and attract the consumers to buy it, as we already understand the behavior of the people. Wow, quite useful, isn't it? Well, theory of planned behavior have three components that need to be considered in order to understand someone's behavior. The first component is attitude or outcome belief, while the second is subjective norms or reference beliefs, and the third component is control beliefs. All these three components need to be understood so we can predict someone's intention, which lead them to do certain behavior. So let's start with the first component, which is attitude or outcome belief. This component is basically about the result, so it is what a person thinks the possible result will be if they do certain behavior. If the result is perceived to be positive, they will be encouraged, means that their intention to do the behavior will increase, while vice versa, if it is perceived to be negative, they will be disencouraged, means that their intention to do the behavior will decrease. Let's say for example Jack wanting to enroll for Victoria University program in Sunway College, Malaysia. He will then research and think what is the result he will get by doing the behavior, which is enrolling to VU. Let's say he find out that by enrolling to VU will enabling him to transfer to Australia, graduating with double major, joining a lot of events. This is all positive result that will increase Jack's intention towards the behavior, which is enrolling to VU. While the second component is subjective norms or so-called reference beliefs. The main point of this component is from its name itself, which is reference. It is when a person thinks of what their surroundings like their friends, parents, siblings, neighbor say or think about a behavior. Same with the attitude or outcome beliefs before. If the reference from their surroundings is perceived to be positive, they will be encouraged and will increase their intention to do the behavior. While if the reference is perceived to be negative, they will be disencouraged and will decrease their intention to do the behavior. So for example, Jack, who previously think to enroll for VU program, then asks his parents and friends' opinion about the behavior. Let's say his parents says that, yes, we have ever heard about that before and it's a good one, you should try enroll there. While his friends say, oh yeah, my other friends joined there last year and they say it's good enough, you should enroll there. This all positive reference will increase Jack's intention even more to enroll for VU program. Last component is control beliefs. This belief is based on perceived control over the behavior. Will the behavior be able to be done convenient and easily? If it is easy, it will then create a positive intention that will encourage the behavior, while if it is difficult, it will then create a negative intention that will disencourage the behavior. For example, still with Jack, now he wants to know whether he have control to be able to enroll to VU. He then find out that the enrollment fees is cheap, he has good grades, and VU enable online enrollment for its program. This means Jack will have good control that will simplify him to enroll to VU. This will increase his intention to enroll to VU. Lastly, as a result, Jack, whose intention getting bigger and bigger, then decide to join Victoria University. Therefore, with the setting of the TACT, where T is for target, which is PU students, A for action, which is enrolling to Victoria University, C for context, which is Sunway College, and T for time, which is February intake 2018, VU should set a good strategy based on all those components mentioned in this example to attract more students' intention in enrolling to VU. That's all for our video about theory of planned behavior and how it can be used to promote VU. Thanks for watching.